Uh, we are at Yoko's Sizzlers, and at this cold weather, this is the most perfect thing to eat, really. And this is a veg sizzler for around, I think, 675. So, are you sure? What's your opinion of it? Ooh, what is
It
this?
looks really.
Oh, this is a spicy sauce.
This looks really cool, and I smoke better.
Yeah. So, are you sure? But then, Bhaiya said he would.
Smoke
We
better.
are quite impressed with the kind of service. Also, they are like really. This is how it looks.
Everybody, look at this.
Okay. Now, would you want to take a bite, Ayush?
Yeah.
Yeah. And I would.
I can see the bottom bubbling.
Okay.
Wow.
Oh. Oh my God. Oh my God. And take some sauce also, apparently. Okay. Take a bite and let us know.
Okay.
Mmm. Yummy with a capital Y. Yeah, sure. So we have some really helpful staff also here. This gentleman.
This is a solid.
Yeah, Ayush, bring your plate closer, please. Wow, this is with noodles. It's almost like spaghetti. Correct. Chiku, bring your plate closer. Yeah.
Could I have some of the noodles?
Yeah, no. Yeah, and his spice tolerance is very high actually. Ayush, taste it, and on a scale of 1 to 10, I would say it's a full 10. Yeah, this is really good. Good stuff.
Look at it smoking.
Yeah, that's it. I think I'll.